Fox Sports Cards in beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois. And we just finished a Jack Clark autograph signing.
Yes, we did.
Very successful signing.
The Ripper.
Very nice.
I think that's how he's known.
Yes. And I'm going to open up a box of 2010.
It says that you may get a gold card is what that says.
2010 Playoff Contenders Football that just released.
The Ripper.
The Ripper. Points are home.
I'll go get that. You just keep ripping. Ripper.
Come back with the shake weights. I have, let's see, Steve Hicks, Josh Cribbs, Brandon Graham insert, not numbered. Drew Brees and Michael Crabtree. There's the base. How do you like the base, Chris?
Base is rather stark for Contenders, actually.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
Base. Insert of Ndamukong Suh. Not numbered.
Rookie roll call.
I missed first blood, didn't I?
Nope. Only 2 packs in. So we're
You missed first inserts.
Art Monk insert, not numbered. Peyton Hillis, who was a stud on my fantasy football team this year.
Yeah, he was.
Running people over.
We're not even talking about fantasy football anymore. That discussion is so over, my friend.
First autograph. Go ahead and say it.
It's a nice wing.
Yeah. Ed Wang.
It's kind of a small wing you have there, but I guess,
is, yeah.
you know.
Do what you can.
You've heard that before, though.
I have.
Calling those rookie OTs.
Uh-oh.
David Geddes autograph.
Now you're cooking.
Man.
On card.
Yeah.
No,
Peyton
sticker.
Manning base.
Oh, wow. You can't even get an Eric Manning on card on it.
Yeah.
Well, that means that the on cards for
There's,
maybe
you
something
can
a
just
little.
have Adrian Peterson. You can probably have this one too.
I'll trade
Toby
this one
Gerhart.
for
Toby Gerhart insert. So.
Wow, you sit down and you just start getting
I
cards.
get cards.
Danny,
I like this.
There's a Danny Woodhead rookie card. Who?
Insert your own joke
He
here.
hasn't. Yeah. He doesn't have too many autographs out there. Roethlisberger.
Don't go to the bathroom.
Insert of Ken Stabler, numbered to 50.
Hey, girls, remember me? I'm the snake. Remember somewhere in a bar in California right now.
For every guy.
I do. Ken Stabler, he's sitting in a bar right now going, remember me? I'm
Steven
the snake.
Jackson, Matt Castle, Brent Jones, not numbered.
Great tight end.
So there's the 50 version, and then there's the not numbered.
Hey, Brent Jones, remember me? I'm the snake.
We have, you can have that with your Vikings collection. Brett Favre,
Just building the whole team.
Fred Jackson, Joe Namath,
I want to kiss
not
you.
numbered.
Susie Comer, beware.
Yeah. We all had our moments. Aaron Rodgers.
No, that doesn't go into my stack.
Tim Tebow, Demaryius Thomas, insert.
Although the Vikings are talking to Rodgers right now. They're about signing him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we can't get enough Packers.
Let's
Ray's
see.
head's gonna explode.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Marty Gilliard autograph.
Dude, nice.
On
Local
card.
love. That
It's
is
on
on
card,
card.
I know there's variations. Geez, look at this card take off. There's variations, I know. I don't know what's what though right now. It could be a variation. And it may not.
But local love.
Local.
on there.
Have a Rob Gronkowski autograph.
Nice.
On card as well.
Nice.
Cool.
Cool.
All those Boston idiots will go crazy for that, won't they? Come on. Sacks. Wicked. Wicked.
Staubach insert.
And there went the East Coast.
There goes the East Coast.
We never had the East Coast.
Yeah, we never had the East Coast. Yeah. We had a whole year that we pulled nothing but Red Sox. You remember that? Every
Yes.
hit was a Red Sox or a
Sam
man.
Bradford, Jermaine Gresham.
Nice. Nice. That Bedford kid did pretty well.
Did pretty good.
Yep.
Dave Casper insert.
The friendly ghost. Hey girls, remember me? I'm the snake.
Paul Warfield insert. Your team too, isn't it?
That's right.
One of your teams.
One of my two.
A Rob Gronkowski insert. Not numbered.
Gronk.
Dallas Clark. Barry Sanders. Not numbered. Insert. Clay Matthews. Put him on top of Favre. I'm not building the set, so if you just want
No damage cards.
Okay.
you
Golden
wanted to.
Tate, Aurelius Ben.
Golden Tate?
Yeah.
Who checked?
Marlon Moore to 99. Rookie. Woohoo! Couple more packs. Jordan Shipley, insert.
Yes, because we haven't had enough Jordan Shipley pulled in this store.
Yeah, I've got him a couple times myself. Demarius Thomas, insert. Got him a couple times too.
Yes.
2 more packs.
Come on, another hit.
Jim McMahon.
Come on. Oh.
Insert. Oh.
Yeah, baby.
Last pack. And a Jason. I wanted to get another autograph.
Nice.
Jason, was it Warild's autograph?
Yes.
So that's 5 autos.
5 autos.
Yeah, not a bad box. Got
That's
2
just-
on card guys.
your
Gronkowski
Gronk
and
is
Gilliard. So.
Probably the biggie, I guess, out of that.
Yeah,
Nice.
not too bad.
Table full of shiny.
Cool.